Hi Alex, so here actually we have a 9x9. It's actually the same with the 18x18 at your side. So in this video I'd like to show you how to replace the control board of the matrix switcher. So first step we need to take out the cover top panel. So we will have the screws on the top two screws and also on the side, and we have 3 on each side. So today we have 8 screws. Then we just open the top panel. After all the screws, then we can open the top panel. The inside, and we can see this is the main board, and here's the control board. This piece is the control board. So on the control board, basically we have 3 wires on it. So first step, we need to move this one, but we need to use a knife here just because on the wires with the connector we have the screws on it. So we need to use a knife to cut the glue gently. Then we can just move the wires with the control board. Then this one just moved. Then we have another 2 on this side. So here's the not small one and the larger one. So this one is a little bit difficult to move it, but we need to move it a little bit harder. Then after the 3 wires moved, then we have 4 screws on this control board. So one here, and another 2 here on this side. So after we have the screws disconnected, then we can just change to a new control board. So after the screws, then we can just move this board here. Then we can just replace with the new control board, and the same position we just put like this one. So after the control board replaced, then we can just have the 3 wires connect back to the control board. Then the 3 wires already connected. Then we can have the cover top panel back to the matrix switcher. Then we have the screws back to the matrix switcher. Then all is set. So next video I'm going to show you how to use the line to control the matrix switcher of the power. So basically on the back side of the matrix switcher, and we can see here we have a line pole. So we can just use a laptop, or we can just have this line with a line cable connect to the Wi-Fi router or the network switcher. So we can use our laptop or the iPad or even our mobile phone to control this matrix switcher for the switchings or the presets to record. Okay, thank you.